Bago mag-wish si Prince, bigyan muna natin ng mensahe from the mother and then the father. Mami, ikaw na.
Mami.
Doktora.
First, I'd like to thank everyone for accepting Prince. You know, this has always been his dream, and we were not quite surprised when he actually mentioned to us that he wanted to try show business. And I said, it's really hard work. It's not glamour. It's putting your heart into it. And you know what? The first time you mentioned that, then we decided that we will be always here to support you. Not all parents would claim that they have good children. But I want to tell the world that I have a boy who's very humble, tahimik po talaga kahit sa bahay, hindi po sumasagot sa magulang. That's why you're so loved by everyone. We love you very much, anak.
Thank you.
Thanks to Kuya Germs for this wonderful opportunity. Di man kami nakapag-dats ng asawa ko nung araw.
Oo nga, sayang.
Nabigyan ng
Pwede
chance yung
pa.
anak namin.
Nagwalang tulugan na kayo, di ba?
Opo, noon.
O, dati ikaw naman. Ba't ikaw naiiyak?
Daddy!
Proud daddy.
Def, for me lang naman, una-una, happy birthday, anak. And follow your dreams and
Follow daddy.
always look back, especially sa mga taong sumusuporta sa iyo. At saka sa mga fans mo and ayun lang. And God
Alam
bless
nyo,
you.
Mami, gusto ko lang i-mention sa inyo na si Prince, napakabait po talaga.
Ba't kaya ako lagi naiiyak?
Lagi sa pinapayo
Prince.
namin.
Oh,
Yes,
salamat.
yes.
Salamat.
Prince.
Napaka-humble.
Ayan, sa
Salamat
sinabi
po.
naman ng mga parents mo, what is your message to them and to your fans and to whoever you want to thank? First, Kuya Germs, of course, diba?
Siyempre, una sa lahat, si tatay. Siyempre, si tatay yung nagdala sa akin dito sa showbiz. Tsaka dito sa Walang Tulugan. And sa mga parents ko naman, thank you sa pagsuporta niyo sa akin ng walang sawa. Lagi kayo nandyan sa akin. Ay, yung mga
Meron ka
pasasalamatan
pa
ko.
sasalamatan. Yung sisters mo nandito rin, di ba? Ba't di natin tawagin yung dalawang sisters mo rin?
Ayun, no?
Join us!
Halika, join us! Sige, yung mga pasasalamatan mo.
And nagpapasalamat ako una syempre kay God. To God be the glory. Maraming salamat po sa taong naging gabay ko sa pag-abot ng aking pangarap. Yung parents ko, sisters, and mga sisters ko, and grandparents ko, wala sila dito. So, exposure, Ayun, kay Tatay Germs, nagpapasalamat ako sa mga GMA bosses, kay Attorney Gozon, Sir Duavit, Ma'am Rosonable, Miss Lara, Miss Ali, Miss Annette, and Sir Joey Abacan, and my GMA Artist Center family, Sir Simon, Miss Tracy, Miss Joy, Miss Jan, Miss Jenny, Sir Christian, and to my handler, Kuya Robert, and salamat po sa cakes. Meron pa, Walang Tulugan family, Direk Bam, yan, Tito John Knight, Tito John Fontanilla, Tita Chuchi, Tita Carms, Tita Charmaine and Tita Shirley, Tita Aster, Tita Virgie, Tita Jo, Shalala, Mega and Fresh. At sa
tita
mga
na
kapatid
lahat
ko
yan.
dito sa Walang Tulugan,
Yeah!
syempre, maraming salamat sa inyo. And sa mga supporters ko, Princeters, yan, Prince Lovers, Prince Natits, Prince Addicts, and Prince Nators, maraming salamat sa pagsuporta niyo sa akin. Lagi kayo nandyan. And to my sponsors, Unisilver Time, Sir Albert, Sir King, Sir William, Miss Yvette, maraming salamat din po sa cakes. And Orange Glow for my skincare, Dr. Jonathan. And finally, FNS Tailors for my suit tonight. Sir Jovan, thank you po.
Wow.
And for my another suit, Yoki Namoko.
Ayan.
Thank you. And Arme Salon pala for my makeup.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So, hindi ko na, kung gusto mong i-ask kung wish mo, but, blow your candle.
Ubus na yung
Aha, baka maubos na.
Wow, Spider-Man
Ayan.
talaga.
Christian.
Wish.
Ito talaga yung
Yes.
favorite character ko. No? Request mo ba to? Okay.
Day,
Sure.